Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. Summer is one of my favorite times of the year. Barbecues, family vacations, baseball games, cookout, fresh fruit. It seems like every gathering revolves around food. But if you're missing teeth or wearing traditional dentures, summer meals can be more stressful than enjoyable. Maybe you've skipped corn on the cob. Maybe you've passed on a steak because it was too difficult to chew. Or maybe you found yourself quietly ordering the softest thing on the menu while everyone else eats and enjoys whatever they want. The good news is that dental implants can change that. Today, let's talk about some of the summer foods you can enjoy again with dental implants and why getting your confidence back may be even more important than the food itself. When people think about dental implants, they usually think about having a nice smile, and that certainly is a huge benefit. But what often surprises patients is how much they missed simply enjoying a meal. Summer is full of celebrations, family reunions, backyard barbecues, graduation parties, 4th of July cookouts, vacations with friends. Food is part of all those memories. When you're constantly worried about your teeth moving, hurting, or embarrassing you, it's hard to simply enjoy the moment. Before treatment, we hear the same list over and over. Patients tell us they avoid corn on the cob, steak and grilled meats, apples, brats and hot dogs with any kind of crusty bun, nuts, raw vegetables, thick burgers. Even sandwiches can become frustrating if your dentures shift when you bite into them. Most people don't realize how much they've changed their eating habits until they finally have stable teeth again. Dental implants are different because they're anchored directly into your jawbone. Instead of relying on suction or adhesive like traditional dentures, implants provide a stable foundation for your teeth. That means more biting strength, better chewing efficiency, greater stability, more confidence when eating. Instead of wondering whether your teeth are going to move, you can focus on enjoying your meal. Now, I do want to mention something important. If you've just had dental implant surgery and you're still going through the healing process, immediately after your surgery, we'll have you on a softer diet while your implants integrate with the bone. And that's completely normal. Healing first, function second. As your recovery progresses and your doctor clears you, you'll gradually begin introducing firmer foods back into your diet. The goal isn't just eating again, it's eating comfortably and safety for years to come. One of my favorite moments is hearing patients say, "I forgot what it felt like to eat without thinking about my teeth." That's huge. You're no longer wondering, will these move? Can I bite this? Is everyone watching me? They're simply enjoying dinner with their family. Sometimes it's not the steak or the corn that changes someone's life. It's the confidence to say yes when someone invites them over for a barbecue. Even though implants are incredibly strong, they're not indestructible. To keep enjoying those summer meals for years to come, make sure to brush every day, clean around your implants properly, keep your maintenance appointments, come in for professional cleanings as recommended. The better you care for your implants, the longer they'll continue to serve you. If you're watching this while struggling with loose dentures, broken teeth, or avoiding your favorite foods, imagine where you could be a year from now. Imagine showing up to your next family barbecue without worrying about what you can order. Imagine biting into an apple without hesitation. Imagine laughing, smiling, eating, and enjoying the moment instead of thinking about your teeth. That's what we want for every patient who walks through our doors. If you're ready to stop planning your meals around your teeth and start enjoying life again, we'd love to help. Make sure to click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll evaluate your smile and create a personalized treatment plan that helps you eat, smile, and live with confidence again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos about dental implants, oral health, and restoring your smile. We'll see you in the next video.